actually playing a game. Yeah, here is my Switch. It was a very long process. I saw these shells on Amazon. It took 5 hours to replace the shell. I always like the idea of dried flowers in a case. This case doesn't work that well because it doesn't fit properly. This design, I guess, is inspired by my own phone case. I was kind of like disappointed I couldn't get the Animal Crossing New Horizons Switch. Yeah. So I decided to make like my own custom one. Like, I don't need to buy like an Animal Crossing Switch. I can just make my own. My dad helped me with most of the process since he had more experience with electronics and circuits and thought I would break the Switch. I assisted with continuously pausing and unpausing the video tutorial and clarifying some steps. Okay, I accidentally filmed this part in slow-mo on my phone. Yeah, I'm just trying to show my chipped nail from prying the Joy-Con shells open. Also, we ordered a different set of tools to take apart the shell, as the ones that the shells came with didn't really work. And here's the banana bread break. When my clear shell protector arrived, I tried it on the Switch while disinfecting it, of course. The material was just hard plastic, and to be honest, the quality wasn't that great. While everything fit pretty well, the only issue was that the bottom of the shell kept popping out easily, and it was like looser in that area. However, what I liked the most about the case was that there were an extra set of legs, I guess, below each Joy-Con, allowing it to sit on a surface flat. Also, I ordered some thumb grip caps that had a cherry blossom pattern, and a common thumb grip design I saw were the cat paw ones, which were really cute, but the flower ones fit my Switch's theme more. After deciding which thumb grips to use, I began with the flower layout on the back of my Switch. Even though the flowers look good on its own, I decided to use washi tape and later regular Scotch tape instead of glue to prevent damaging the shell that we painstakingly assembled, and in case I wanted to change up the design later on, such as placing stickers instead. And here's the final product. And yes, I purposely placed the Switch on the ground to get the little rainbow to make it look cooler, more aesthetically pleasing.